Hello everyone. Today we'll go over the step-by-step instructions to add an additional key fob using this ProKeyBox kit. To begin, you must have one working key to add additional key fob. This kit is compatible with 2015 to 2016 Scion FR-S. I will list compatibility guide at the end of this video. This kit comes with the aftermarket key fob, the programmer tool, and the instruction manual. If you have your own unprogrammed key fob, you can also purchase the programmer tool separately as an alternative option to save money. This tool will work on any aftermarket key fob or the original key fob. Today, we'll program the aftermarket key fob with the kit. Once you use this programmer tool, it will lock to your car VIN. This means you can reuse it as many times as you want in your vehicle, but not in any other vehicle. So, to begin the process, you need to connect the tool to the OBD board. From here choose Add Key. Then press Enter. The programmer will communicate to your vehicle. Now place your working key next to the push to start button, and wait for a few seconds until you hear the beeping sound. Now place the new unprogrammed key next to the push to start button, and wait for a few seconds until you hear the beeping sound indicating programming is successful. This means it is all done. So, next, unplug the tool and let's test the key fobs. Here, we can see it's working, and it's all good to go. Repeat the steps if you have more keys to program. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.